Today is Tech Talk Tuesday. We're going to be talking about MailShake, what is cold outreach, and how is it different from an autoresponder. But before we do, right here, I'm on my group, Funnel Hacker Pro. Would love to see you here. I give out so much advice. You guys can see I'm pretty much the only guy that posts here. Black Friday deals we just had. And now look, you can see this post right here is just talking about headlines and how to make landing pages. I give up a lot of information in this group. And a lot of people would pay just to be in a group like this. It's free for you at FHP.io. Let's go. So welcome back to today's Tech Talk Tuesday. You might want to think about hitting that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. I know you're going to like what you see. So let's jump right into it. Today I'm going to talk about MailShake and why is MailShake so important. Cold outreach with emails are basically the new cold call if you do it right. I've sent out tons of campaigns and that's why I'm here, and this just flat out works. So first, let me jump into the tool, and it's MailShake.com. Let me address a question that someone asked me. What's the difference between a cold outreach tool and an autoresponder? Number one, with an autoresponder, thanks for the question. Number one, with an autoresponder, you're working with an SMTP, which is like a thing for newsletters or broadcasting to a ton of people. Number two, normally with this type of thing, you don't have an inbox so you can open a thread of communication. Here in MailShake, you can do it all in one place. Then once you decide that this is a lead, you can send it to your CRM and then continue the conversation from there. Let's jump into the software. So when you first get into MailShake, you're going to see your dashboard. And I'm going to talk about this in a moment about how to do cold emails. Now, you're going to ask me, number one, Sonny, is this a paid ad? No, it's not. I also want to say this. I actually paid for MailShake monthly. It's really affordable at $9 a month for one person to do outreach. So as you come here, you need to add, you're going to tell you to go add your mail accounts. So when you do that, you can add several mail accounts. So after you add your email address, it's time for you to start setting up a campaign. I really like the UI here because when you start a new campaign, everything just kind of slides into place. So here you would name your campaign. Here's your from address, the ones that you set up. Then you're going to go to your recipients. And if you just want, you can add a recipient, okay? And then you can say, I want to import that. Name the list, and then you're going to finish the import. Then it's going to ask you if you want to verify your list. You can say yes or no. And now you can compose the emails. You can add follow-ups, you can add a drip campaign, and if they click on something, you can send them something else. This is the difference between an autoresponder and something that is set up specially for cold outreach. The UI is not going to be as clean, and it's not going to be as straightforward as just saying, okay, I want to add a follow-up here, and then I want to add another follow-up, and if they do a click, wait for a day, and then this, send them this, and then if they click on something else, send them this, that type of thing. This is really easy. You can see everything that you're going on here on the side, and it's really easy to use. After you say, yes, I want to do this, you can also set up an A/B split test, which is really cool. After that, you're going to preview the campaign. They're going to show you a few options, and then you're going to click send. The sending calendar is awesome. So you can choose when you want to send out your emails. Right now, I have this set out for just send them out anytime during the day. And you can pause 5 minutes between sends, send at least 15 emails at a time, and send at most 200 emails at a time. You can send out 100 emails a day and do follow-ups, and you'll be fine. Then you have your campaigns once you've already sent out your campaigns. And I had something I wanted to show you here. Number one, that's the one we just finished right there. We won't go in there. But I wanted to show you here. Here we sent out 85 emails. I got 5 replies, 54 opens, and a couple of bounces, okay? And you'll see where I lost a couple here, but 3 people that opened, which was a 60% open rate here. And these are people that actually replied at a 7% reply rate. And I wanted to show you, hey, Sonny, It's great to get your email. It'd be great to talk with our CEO about improvements of our influencer marketing. All right. And he actually tagged his CEO in that. So I want you to pay attention to that. After that, this is pretty much the same. They have a lead catcher that you can set up and say, hey, if I get any replies, send those replies here so you don't have to search through the campaigns. Then you have your sending calendar. You have your team settings, how many people you have in your team, custom tracking domains so you can track everything yourself. And then that's it pretty much. And they do have Zapier, which is really cool. So with Zapier, you can send your leads to your CRM. I send mine to Company Hub, which I'll be doing a review on that soon as well. Something new they have is conversion tracking. So you can put a little piece of script on your page, and then if they click a link and do something on your page, they can fill out a form. You can say, I won this campaign, I lost it, or whatever you want to do here, which is really cool. So it's kind of like a little mini CRM in itself. So another thing I want to show you inside of campaigns, so as we go into Lead Catcher, I want to show you what's really cool and what the difference is between an autoresponder and a cold outreach tool. Here it says, hey, Sonny, great to get your email, would love to chat. Also, it shows they opened an email or if they clicked on a link, etc. But here's what's cool is you can just go right here and reply inside of here. This is the email that I'm responding to here and the subject line, but you can also change it if you'd like to. You can also click a status here to say I ignore this, I won this, or I lost it, or you can assign it to other teammates, and then you can click the next email and move on to whatever else is in the line here. This is a great tool to start your outreach, and I want to show you what's really important about this. Number one is the follow-ups. 3 automatic follow-ups. People don't automatically respond to the first email. That's one thing I learned. You have to follow up. I want to show you something really important. That email that I just showed you got sent out in July. I noticed that there were some things going on here that I hadn't heard from this person. So I said, here you can see in October 14th, we actually talked again. And then here in November, you see this November 20th, I said, hey, I never heard anything back, so I'm connecting back myself. Let's make this happen. You want to do blah, right? Yeah, that's right. All right, let's do it. This is November 20th of this year that I just closed that deal. 4 or 5 months later, whatever it is, I just closed this deal. You have to follow up. If you listen to what Grant Cardone says, he'll say the number one reason most salespeople fail is because they don't follow up. The fortune really is in the follow-up. Before I let you go right now, I want to show you that I don't have to tell you how to do cold emails. What's really cool is MailShake goes out of its way to really put out a lot of information to make you successful. So here's 14 videos with advanced tips on list building, copywriting, and scaling your email outreach. Go check it out. It's totally free. The videos will just load right up. All you have to do is come down here, start scrolling, watch the videos, and get your free education on how to start making money through cold outreach. What's really cool is cold outreach works. The only reason that you're not successful is because you're not doing it. If you like this video, click the thumbs up, subscribe if you like the content, and share this video with a friend. You might know someone that could benefit from this video. As always, if you want to be successful in business, it's an everyday thing, man. No excuses, no explanations. Let's get it done.